and welcome to Analysing All Sorts with E.T. Cheetah. So got a little bit of a cheeky one for you today. So what we've got here is a product made by Le Creuset in France, and we can see here what it is, and how they describe it is as a cookware knob. So we've got a knob here, and I wanted to use the word knob to try and help you remember what a homonym is. So a homonym is a word that has more than one meaning, but the word looks the same, it's spelt the same, and it sounds the same. So can you think of any other meanings for the word knob? Okay, so it may be that you're thinking along the lines of doorknob, bed knob, but you could be thinking of something else, something that's what we refer to as slang. And one of my favourite cheeky insults that I have one friend in particular who's a viewer of this channel, and hopefully she'll know that I'm talking about her every now and again, I'll call her a knobber. Alright then, as always, like and subscribe.